Why some people build wealth while others struggle for years? It is not just a luck, it's not a talent. It is understanding the 5 stages of wealth and moving through them at a time. In this video, I will show you exactly where you can you are right now and what you need to do to reach your financial freedom. Don't skip this video. It could change the way you think about money. First of all, most people think wealth is about making a lot of money, but the truth is, wealth is built in stages whereby you need to have a foundation. A foundation, this is whereby you are able to earn money. This is where everyone starts. You focus on developing skills, finding opportunities, and increasing your income. Your first goal is to create a reliable source of income, which is the foundation stage. Stage number one is security. Security, this is whereby you are required to eliminate debt before building your wealth, or you need to reduce your bad debt. High interest rate and unnecessary borrowing can slow down your financial progress. So security is one of the 5 stages, and the fifth stage it is the second stage is all about the stability. Stability comes whereby you save money to create for an emergency fund, and you need to develop an habit of saving consistency. Savings gives you a peace of mind and it protects you from financial shock. Or for example, when an emergency arises, you are able to get the money which you already set aside. Remember, it is always recommended that you set like 3 to 6 months of your monthly expenses for your emergency. Let me know how many months have you saved for your emergency fund. The third stage is a strategy. This is whereby you invest money once you have savings. Do not invest before you save. You need to save, but currently you can save as well as investing through the mutual fund like the money market fund. Savings, they make your money work for you, whereby if you consider investment such as the stock market, we have like the money market fund, we have like the special funds, the index fund, the government bond, or even the business strategy. This is whereby now you start giving your money, your cash out money, a task to work on your behalf. And the fourth stage is the abundance. This is whereby the money which you have already invested start to compound, whereby it will start multiply faster. For example, once you get an interest, you reinvest it back to that fund, or if for example you have been paid like the dividend, you reinvest that dividend to buy more shares of that company or another company. And for the information, today I have received dividend from my one of the companies whereby I have been invested my shares into it. Is brilliant. And the fifth stage is the freedom. This is whereby you free yourself from the money. This at this stage is whereby you can do anything you want with your money. You can pay all your bills. All your bills are catered for by the money which you have already set aside. You can live the lifestyle which you have been always admiring for those years which you have been investing. So remember that wealth is built by doing simple things consistently for a long period of time. Let me know in the comment section at which stage are you, and for more financial tips like that, go ahead and subscribe for more personal finance, investing, money management, and wealth building content. This is Alex Jabari. Feel most welcome. And if you haven't not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to support this our channel. We are at 849 subscribers. Thank you for trusting in my process, and I will make sure that by all means I give you the necessary information about investment. We create wealth together so that by the time we will be retiring, we will not be blaming our children that they have not done to us. Let's meet in our next video. Bye bye, and thank you for watching to the very end. If you haven't subscribed, please, it's a humble request. Go ahead and subscribe to this our channel, which is the Alex Jabari. And like another iron serpent, another iron, tell me in the comment section what topic would you like me to address in the next video, and I will make it. For more information, or if you would like to reach for personal guidance, my number is always in the description of every video. Go ahead and send me a WhatsApp message, and I will be able to get you through. Bye bye.